Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to regain your womanhood using this liquid gold. Yes, you heard that right, liquid gold. So if this sounds so interesting to you and it's what you want to watch, please continue watching. Let's go into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite mama Ada Kings in the building. So guys, you guys are welcome back again to my channel. To my new subscribers, my name is Adeze Onyeka. It's nice having you here. So today I got my ladies covered. Yeah, I got an amazing stuff for my ladies today. Oh yes, you heard me right. So guys, let me start by saying this, okay? You guys know that part of the things we do in this channel is on marriage and relationship. So in this video I have a DIY recipe for my ladies to spice up your marriage stroke relationship, and that is how to regain your womanhood using a simple DIY recipe, groundnut water. Yes, let me start by saying this. A lot of people attribute to the fact that loose vaginal wall is caused by having multiple partners, okay, while some people say that it's caused as a result of childbearing and pregnancy. So guys, but that's not why we are here. What we are here is to find a solution to a lot of women out there who have in one way lose their relationship, lose their marriage because they can't enjoy intercourse, or their partners can't enjoy intercourse with them as a result of loose vaginal walls. So this video I'm bringing to you is a very potent DIY recipe that will help you tighten up your vaginal walls. So with that being said, before I go into this recipe, I want to outline to us the numerous benefits of groundnuts or peanuts. Okay, number one, peanut is rich in nutrients like vitamin B6, vitamin E, fiber, folate. Is rich in minerals like potassium, magnesium, zinc. Mention them. There is a whole lot of nutrients contained in peanuts. Secondly, peanuts are good for anti-aging. Yes, if you are taking a good amount of peanuts, it helps in anti-aging. The next thing I want to talk about is it helps in disease control. Yes, if you are taking peanut in a good amount, it helps in disease control. Also, peanut is a good source of cholesterol control. Yes, you can use peanut to control your cholesterol level. With this being said, okay, let's go deep. So guys, that's the amazing, some of the benefits of peanuts or groundnuts. So as you are here listening to me, I have something to tell you. Yeah, this recipe is a very potent recipe. It's tested and trusted. A friend of mine just used it last week. Okay, she have 5 kids already. She used this and it was super effective. One more thing, I have a warning for you. Don't overuse this recipe. You heard me, don't overuse this recipe so you'll not be too tight down there. Yes, and remember, this recipe works according to individuals because we have different body systems, and a lot of things. And I need to say this, don't be stingy with this video. A lot of women out there needs to see this. A lot of women out there wants to solve this particular challenge. So do me well to share this video to as many women as possible that you know. Let's spread the love and help ladies. One more thing, lovelies, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Even those that have been here with me that have not subscribed, talk to me. What are you waiting for? Join this amazing family. Just hit that red button down below. There is a notification bell that will pop up. Click on it, turn it on to press to all so that you can get notified whenever we upload amazing videos like this. Okay, so guys, so I need to say this to you. You have to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I have a bonus to this recipe. There is something else I'll be saying at the end of this recipe that will help you to achieve this so fast. Yes, this recipe on its own works 100%, but at least I want to include an exercise that will help you, and that will be coming at the end of the recipe. Also, the main reason why you should wait till the end is so you know the prescriptions and recommendations on how to take this recipe, because the truth of the matter is, if you should overdo this or take it in a way you shouldn't take it, you will be too tight down there. And trust me, at the end of the day, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. You might find it difficult to even have it that cost at the end of the day because of too much tightness. So guys, stay tuned till the end. Follow all the procedure I'm gonna carry out in this video so you will not be lost anywhere or miss anything. So let's dive in. Like I said, let's dive into the video proper. Let's go. So guys, hi guys. So guys, before I start though, I want to give a warning. Okay, this recipe varies from person to person. We know we have different body types, so it doesn't work the same way for all persons. Yes, some persons it takes 1 day to be effective, some persons it takes 3 to 5 days. So but I recommend after 5 days don't take it again, okay, so that it will not be too tight down there. So let's get started. This is your raw peanuts. This is the only ingredient we are using for this DIY. This is a raw peanut. So try and get a raw peanut with shell. This is more effective. Okay, so try and get a raw peanut. I'm going to put the link to this peanut down on my description box for those of you that cannot get it around where you are staying. Please make sure it's very dry. So the first thing I did was to dry my peanuts very well. Guys, the first thing I did was to dry this peanut. That is it, guys. So we are deshelling it. So if you so I'll quickly wash this thing thoroughly and we start boiling it. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna thoroughly wash the granite. Okay, I'm gonna thoroughly wash this, wash it well, and then this is actually what we are doing. Okay, I did not actually measure the quantity of water I poured into this, but just pour a reasonable amount of water. We are going to, let me turn on the heat. I just turned on the heat now. I just turned on my heat now. So we are going to cook this for 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, we're going to come back and see what we have. So that is it. So let's wait for 40 minutes. Guys, endeavor to use a very clean water pot that is free of oil, yeah, to start cooking your groundnut. So guys, see what our groundnut looks like after 45 minutes. Guys, look at that color. So this is what you want to achieve. Okay, so this water is enough. We have gotten what we want. So I'm gonna turn off the heat now. At this stage, we're gonna allow this to cool down. Guys, look at that color. This is what you need. So at this stage, we will leave this to cool down. So once it's cooled down, we will come and extract this water from the shell. So guys, at this junction, this is it, okay, and it's cold. So I'm going to strain that like so. Guys, this is the color you want. This is it, okay. So this is the leftover. Guys, this is the leftover, okay. So I still have some more juice which I will strain later, okay, and use. So this groundnut that is remaining, don't waste it, don't throw it away. You can still reboil this and get more juice out of it. So but now this is what we were able to get. You can see it's still plenty. So guys, I recommend a glass of this yumminess first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, then in the evening before you go to bed. So guys, this is what the drink looks like. Yeah, this is what the drink looks like. So it's so good, it tastes nice, and I would recommend you take this a glass first thing in the morning before on an empty stomach, then last at night before you go to bed. Then you have to do this for just 5 days depending on your body system. If you start seeing effects on the first trial, please don't do it up to 5 days. Highest on the 3rd day you stop. But if you didn't start seeing effect immediately, just 5 days is okay. I said it before, don't overdo this. If you overdo this, you will become more tight down there, and trust me, you don't want it to become too much tight. So again, so ladies, remember I promised to give us a bonus remedy on how to tighten our womanhood, and that is the Kegel exercise. Yes, you heard me right. Kegel exercise is very nice. Yes, exercise is very important. If you can introduce Kegel exercise, that will be so amazing. Yeah, so Kegel exercise, you can do it while lying down, sitting down, standing up. It all depends on you. Just before you start, make sure you empty your bladder, sit down, stand up and start, okay, just to tighten the uterus wall. You can Google about Kegel exercise to get more updates on how to carry out this exercise. You can do it in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, depends on you and how you have time. But trust me, if you can introduce this exercise with this drink, trust me, it's gonna be so amazing. Even if you don't have time for Kegel exercise, just this drink alone is enough to do the magic. This is so nice. So guys, at this juncture, I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. I will be ending this video here. So if you do find this video interesting, don't forget to support me by hitting that subscribe button down below. Like, comment. If you have tried this drink before, do let me know in the comment section. And if you have not, do try it and give me feedback. I would love to get your feedback. And if it works for you, do tag me everywhere, on Facebook, on Instagram, here on YouTube. Do tag me everywhere. I would like to hear your review on this drink. Lovelies, please don't forget to share our video out, because a lot of people want to see videos like this. So guys, if you watch till this moment, trust me, you are the real MVP, and I blow kisses to you.